Hello guys, welcome to my channel, John Italian. Now guys, ay meron ako guys, dalawang variants guys na natitira lang yung gusto kong kainin, yung double dots sliced cake, tapos yung choco peanut sliced cake from Red Ribbon. Masarap lang talaga guys yung sliced cake na Red Ribbon guys, ay ang sarap talaga ng lasa guys, ay talaga hindi kayo mapapaya guys, pasalubong guys sa pamilya. At ang sarap balik-balikan guys, hindi at kainin yung mga slice nila guys, lalo na yung mga cake nila guys, black forest, yung mga cake nila, yung mga dedication cake, chocolate cake, yan. Masarap naman yung mga gawaan ng marito, hindi tinitipid guys yung lasa. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. Ay, gusto ko talagang kainin guys yung parang na-curious ako guys sa lasa na ano guys. Yung double dots. Kasi ang paborito ko lang ice cream guys is double dots. Ngayon guys, ay may slice cookies guys na with ribbon and double dots guys na dapat yun sa ice cream ngayon naman. Meron siya guys sa slice cake na with ribbon. Now, tikman natin guys ang lasa. Dahil na-curious ako ng lasa ng double dots ng with ribbon. At ito po yung liner niya guys, para hindi siya mahiwalay guys sa lagayan. At tikman natin kung anong lasa. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. Curious lang ko guys, dalawang variants na nakain ko kanina. Ngayon, yung tatlong variants, yung double dots. Thank you so much guys for watching. Yummy! Ang sarap talaga ng lasa guys. Double dots guys, ng sliced cake with ribbon. Thank you so much guys. Hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, John Italian. Please subscribe my channel with notification bell para malapay guys sa susunod ng laptop na videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Napakayami talaga guys ng sliced cake ng with ribbon. Thank you so much guys. Pwede ka rin bumili sa labong sa iba nila. At hindi kayo mapapahagay talaga sa lasa. Hindi pinatupid kayo ang lasa ng with ribbon ay napakasarap. Talagang kainin at masarap siyang pasalubong para sa pamilya. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much. Tatlong variants na ganyan na nakain ko kanina ay yung double dots sa pinakauli. Tatlong isa guys, mamaya na lang yung babalik ka. Thank you so much guys for watching. At hindi mahuli kayo yung kape. Again, thank you so much guys for watching, and please subscribe my channel, John Italian. Please support my channel guys to subscribe with notification bell on for notify for next upload my videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much.